Morning or good evening. My name is Ahmed Akmes, Matic number 103691. This is my presentation about PMB Project Management Plan. Here we go. Sorry. Executive summary. The mission statement. Our main objective of our project is to build up heavy fuel oil treatment plant which provide HFO with low concentration salt using centrifugal separators. Our company GIA is one of the large suppliers for processing oil processing technology and machinery. This have strong partnership with the customers, provide individual and sustainable solution and application. Okay, benefits from using this unique separating which separate liquid that have different different density. Also solid can separate at the same time. The benefit of that is maximum efficiency, and the materials that use highly resistant to corrosion and erosion. This means minimum maintenance cost. GIA have the predictive maintenance tools which help to improve the life of the machine and extend and enhance all the output. Also performance of on the operation. GIA team for maintenance refers any plant to their original condition using 100 guarantee spare parts, which mean ensure years of trouble free and the same safety and quality and performance. Details about the planning. The skid the plant contain a first skid and each skid have an auxiliary equipment from heat exchanger and mixer and wash water and compressed air from well-known companies. Also the plant have waste treatment and the separator from OSE series which have self-cleaning type. The main purpose of the document here in introduction is this document for straight all stage for planning from design, installation, manufacturing, commissioning, and delivery. The background of project because the low cost this type of fuel is used in exceptional and urgent situation. Why treatment this HFO from HFO is residual from distillation and cracking process of petroleum have contaminant like sand, solid like sand, rust, dust, and refinery catalyst. Centrifugation the efficiency of depend on the specific gravity. If this is different is high would mean increase the efficiency. Also depend on particle size. The purpose of this project, history of electricity in Iraq announced that one of their station need this treatment plant, but the treated HFO must meet the requirement properties after having element analyzing. From on our side, we see that will improve the economy by creating a job. Assumption and constraints of the project, like budget and plant capacity, supplying limitation on treated HFO arrangement, temperature. For the budget, the assumption that the project cost must not exist 750,000 USD, and constraints maybe unexpected action will hold the budgetary sometime. The limitation of HFO must meet the minimum required, but the all we know the type of untreated or crude oil very may vary depend to the region source, style of BMP organization, timing. There will be sequence of task, schedule, documentation, priority, communication with stakeholders. This must be formal and written. And the sequence of tasks. This means one phase of the project complete, then we can begin in the next one. Full scope management. Full scope of project, total value, environmental condition. Okay, about the environmental condition, the planet must be installation indoor or under roof sunshade. We cannot build it direct outdoor without any sunshade or any roof. There will be wastewater treatment and vanadium inhibitor skid, transfer feed skid. There will be heat recovery or also auxiliary equipment. Scope of the contract. Scope of the contract including the engineering, procurement, construction, commissioning, and warranty, etc. Also, on this part will be training about operation and the maintenance. Project deliverables like process engineering will provide PFD, process flow diagram or process flow scheme, piping and process flow scheme, also piping and instrument diagrams. Electrical department, hardware and software and EMC department, mechanical department, civil and structure, like soil investigation specification to see the area and the ground properties, also drawing of platform, ladder, stairs and hand railing, also the firefighting and safety department. This plant will produce an sodium plus potassium contain less than 1 ppm, okay, because any the water soluble salt and abrasive solid particles which can be hazard to the turbine plane. By the way, this station have frame 5 GE gas turbine units. Also, plant will produce and vanadium and lead will reduce this one. The benefit from this planet is to extend the turbine lifetime and reduction of gas turbine power loss, and also reduction of operating cost and maintenance at the same time. Scope management, WPS, work breakdown structure, feasibility study, planning and design, execution, test and evaluation, closeout. Feasibility study, and we can say that is like an analyze that take all of project relevant factors into account, including economic, technical, legal, and scheduling consideration to determine this one. Okay, we can define execution is the third phase of the project life cycle and one of the vital one. It's the phase where you will construct your deliverables and present them to your customer and key stakeholders. Closeout is the last, as we know, the last phase of the project management life cycle. During the project closeout, the project team must take a meeting with the stakeholders. Okay, this is the definition. Consultants and contract. GE have their own consult team, but sometimes we need the external consultant subcontracts. So for subcontracts, they will need civil construction team And the consultants, we need them for the need their expert in the machinery and equipment adjustment. For example, will be a vibration in one separators, or hammering in pipes, or DC voltage supply is a fluctuation. The benefit for these teams, external teams, this will be for the consultants focus on core know-how and save money. For subcontract, provide expertise and increase productivity. Time management, this is table illustrate all activities and duration for uh, all time of the project. Critical path method CPM, this will provide this figure provide the critical path in red arrow, and this table give details for all activities and duration and the exactly date. Also here the table illustrate give more information about risk management, GIA priorities, GIA create a safe and secure work environment for all staff, and provide protection from event, and protect all involved people and assist from potential harm. There will be scope risk, cost risk, technology risk, communication risk, miscellaneous, miscellaneous risk management system, internal control system, and performance. Uh, our company uh, our company made a booklet containing several possible risk management that project may faces during all section from initial to closing, like legal risk, environmental risk, financing risk, time risk, and certain based risk. Okay. Quality standard, quality and regulation, quality stand quality st- standards. This type of management ensures superior quality product and service. Quality of a product can be measured in terms of performance, reliability, and durability. Quality is an quality is an essential parameter which differentiates an organization from the competitors. Sorry. Quality planning. Every project should have a required project or goal. Uh, Quality control and tools, and quality assurance activity. Local national regulation. Uh, Iraq depend on several national like law, like ISO, like ASTM. For example, construction or raw materials depend on 17,000 on 250. Petroleum product fuel class F specification on ISO 4261. Occupational health and safety, energy management system, quality management systems. This organization structure, this table show the structure of this treatment plan. Executive manager on the head of this figure. Also the roles and responsibilities for project manager and project team member, project sponsor, executive sponsor, business analytical. Uh, for example, project sponsor approve the project budget, executive sponsor approve all change of the project scope, provide additional fund for scope change, for business analyzed, gather requirement from business unit or users, verify that project deliverables meet the requirement. Here finally the index. This is annotated storage. Also you reach the transfer skid, transfer pump, heat recovery fire pump. Here the treatment skid, and here the treated HFO, the oily wastewater, have effluent water treatment skid, and here direct to the river pure water, and the sludge of the recycle also. Here the site location, where the storage, where the station. Here the layout for transfer skid. Here the heat recovery, heat input, heat input, the pumps, the output. Here the demulsifier tank and dosing pump. Here's the treatment skin to mixer, force separators, shell and tube, heat exchanger, effluent skin, 3 separators, and dosing pump also. Thanks.